Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in TradeLocker in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on TradeLocker.com. You can also find its link in the description box so that you could come here on the official homepage of TradeLocker. Now, when you are here, you will find this login button on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you just have to do nothing but to just click on this login button on the top right hand corner. Now, if you have previously selected your Google account in order to log in into your account, it will take some time and it will automatically log you inside your demo account. But if you have selected the email address and the password options, you need to provide your email address and your password. And then you can also select the option of remember me so that the next time when you try to log in into your TradeLocker account, it will be very easy for you to log in. So that's how you can basically log in into your account. Simply click on the button of login and then simply provide your login credentials and you are good to go. Thank you.